Hello, welcome back to English Unleashed. Today, I'm very excited because I want to share something very personal with you. I'm gonna tell you about my dreams, my goals, and my wishes. Before I begin, I want to thank all of you who send me such kind messages about our conversation. I read all the comments and I reply to as many as I can. But now, let me take you into my world. When I was young, I always dreamed of traveling around the world. I wanted to visit all countries, learn different languages, meet new people, and experience different cultures. When I was a kid, I thought that when I grew up, I would become a journalist. So, when I was 18, I went to college and studied journalism and foreign languages. I learned French and Spanish. I traveled to France and Spain. Those were incredible experiences. They were unforgettable. But when I graduated from college, I understood that I didn't want to be a journalist. I liked working with people. I liked teaching languages. And that's when I started to teach French and Spanish. And in the meantime, I learned English. I fell in love with this language. I thought it was beautiful. So, I began to improve my skills and try to become a better speaker. When I was 26, I moved to London and continued studying English. It was the best decision of my life. I improved quickly, and I knew that I wanted to work with this language forever. I wanted to dedicate my life to it. That's when I decided to become an English teacher. And that's what I've been doing ever since. Now, I have taught thousands of students. I have worked in many countries, in many places, and now online. I love being an English teacher. It gives me energy. It makes me feel alive. And my dream is to help everyone in the world to learn English. I want to reach everyone who wants to learn English and help them become better speakers. That's why I made English Unleashed. And today, I want to share some of my ideas about how to achieve that goal. So, here are 4 important points. Point No. 1. The most important thing is to follow your passion. Okay, you need to do something you love. You know, when I was young, I loved traveling. When I became a teacher, I taught Spanish and French, but I wanted to do more. So I followed my passion for English, and now I teach English. You need to find your passion and follow it. Point No. 2. To follow your passion, you must believe in yourself. Okay, you need to believe in your abilities. You know, I've been dreaming of becoming a good English speaker since I was a kid. I never gave up. Even when I was in London and I could only speak a few words, I never gave up. I believe that one day I would speak well. You need to believe in your dreams. You need to believe in your abilities. You need to believe in yourself. Point No. 3. I think education is very important. Education is the key. When I moved to London, I began taking classes to improve my skills. I took classes, I read books, I watched videos, I attended cultural events. In the meantime, I never stopped learning. You know, when I realized that I wanted to teach English, I went to university and earned my teaching certificate. You need to educate yourself. You need to learn. And point, no. For my last point is communication. It's very important. You know, when I moved to London, I didn't know anyone. I had no friends, no family, no colleagues. But I went out and I met people. I talked to everyone. People were very nice to me. They helped me. They pushed me to speak English. You know, if you want to learn English, you need to talk. Find a friend, find a partner to practice English with. Go to an English-speaking club. Talk, talk, talk. Talk, talk. Only in this way can you learn and improve. Okay, so these are the 4 points. Follow your passion, believe in yourself, educate yourself, communicate. So let's put these ideas together. Follow your passion. It means do what you love. Believe in yourself. Educate yourself. Communicate. When you do these 4 things, you can achieve anything. Okay, my dream is to help people to learn English. My plan is to use social media and technology. I already have YouTube channels, Instagram, Facebook pages, and now this new platform. It's incredible. I can share videos, photos, ideas, resources, and I can connect with students. I can talk to you directly. You know, I want to create a global community of English learners. I want to connect you with other learners and teachers. I want to create a place where we can share our experiences, our ideas, and our resources. If you're interested in joining this community, please join us. Send me a message. Say hello. Share your ideas and subscribe to our channels. You can also contact me through the provided email. I want to answer all your questions. I want to talk to you. You know, I have a dream. I want to go to every country in the world and teach English. I want to teach you. I want to teach everyone. And now, thanks to technology, I can do that. I can do it from my house. I can talk to you from here, and you can learn from wherever you are. Okay. I have a dream, and I'm working to achieve it. I believe in my dream, and I believe in you. You know, when I came to England, I could barely speak. But I never gave up. I followed my passion. I believed in myself. I educated myself, and I communicated. And now I speak English. You can do the same. Okay, I want to help you, and I want to inspire you. So let's work together. Let's make our dream come true. Remember, if you work hard and never give up, you can do it. You can achieve your dream. You can speak English well. You can learn whatever you want. I'm Tom, and this is English Unleashed. See you next time.